Alex, 안녕. Hi. Okay, let's go. 여기가 안정리인데요. This is called 안정리 in front of walking gate. So if you walk down that, maybe it takes like 5 minutes to walking gate.
Before the car gets you. But if you walk into the car,
Oh, be careful. 여기는 GS25, GS25 편의점입니다. 네. Can you show it the front to people? Okay, it's a Pepero and it says original. Pepero original. 그 다음에 explain.
What is it like? What is it
I know.
Good.
Crunch. Good. Okay.
Good.
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
Chocolatey.
Yeah.
But what is it like? It's like a little breadstick
Yeah.
covered in.
Chocolate.
Really? No way.
Okay, next
I
one
want
is
to try the cherry
blossom.
blossom ones. I've never seen those before.
And eat.
And Alex, can I show it to people? Because it's so
No.
new to me.
Did you try it?
Double dip 벚꽃 cherry blossom. Okay, and there's okay Pepero. Okay, cherry blossom. Ah,
Oh, 2 bags.
yeah, it has 2 bags. Oh, it's transparent. Oh,
Cherry blossom.
Yes, let me see.
oh
Double dip.
yeah,
It
and
says
it's shorter.
Yes, they are shorter.
Can
I? Was that really hard to open?
Yeah.
huh?
They're almost about the same size.
But they're not quite.
Don't grab it. Yeah. Okay.
All right, here, try that one.
Mmm. Mm.
You good?
Mm.
Hard to explain, though.
That is very hard to explain.
I would just say chocolatey and crunchy.
So it says there is a flower of cherry blossom.
Ew.
0.04%.
It does have.
벚꽃 분말이 0.04% 있어요.
Yep, I don't like that.
Why not?
Because I just don't like the flavor of it.
But you said it was good.
And
It's
then
like
I changed
white chocolate and it's dipped in like a pink thing.
Mm-hmm.
Like pink syrup.
And it does have like a floral taste to it. But
Mm.
it's very faint.
Mm.
I don't want to have my milk. I don't know.
That's very interesting.
Mm.
Turn it around.
Mm.
It shows.
아몬드. 아.
And you got 3. 1 for you. Oh no.
Oh, thank you.
1 for you.
Thank you, Sophie.
And I get 2. Since rainbow.
It broke. So what's that one taste like?
Almondy.
Almondy?
Chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
And bready.
Bready. You're so silly.
Done.
Okay.
Now let's see who the winner is.
So you must choose one.
The poo poo poo.
one. Just one.
So just drop one.
Like, oh.
Okay, he doesn't like.
All right.
I'm
So out of
sorry.
these two, which one do
Yeah.
you like
I know,
better?
and that's what this one.
No, we're not trying the chocolate milk right now.
Yeah.
Out of these two,
Next time the chocolate drink.
which one do you like better?
Both. They're both pretty good.
You must pick one.
Mm.
You must decide. You must decide.
This one's the winner.
That one's the winner, the original one?
Yeah,
Oh.
I wanted to pick both because they both were pretty good.
They were both.
Alex chose this one. Okay, the winner of today is original chocolate. Yeah, Pepero.
Is that
So
dark
this is-
chocolate?
모르게 입니다.
No, 그렇게 주세요.
아, 모르게. 모르게 주세요. Please subscribe.